have a Chevy Silverado, and it has a misfire on cylinder 7, and when you start it, you hear a metal noise, like a bang, boom, like if it's a rod bearing, but it's not. These engines are very common for this problem, and cylinder 7 is the one back there. Okay, I got the valve cover. This truck has 269,000 miles. Watch. This one, you see how hard it is? Perfect. Look, now watch. You see that? That's a drop cylinder. That's a drop lifter. See? All the rest are perfect. The way to fix this, you got to remove all that. This, I think you can leave this in place. No, you can't. You got to remove all this right here. You got to take the head off. Right? And then you got to change the head gasket. You got to put a new head gasket on it because the lifters, they sit in this plastic container. Like they have these little plastic containers that sit like this on the head of the engine. Not on the head, on the block of the engine, next to the pistons. So imagine taking half of the engine out. And if you're going to change one, and this truck has 269,000 miles, then you got to change both sides, because it's only a matter of time until the rest will go. Plus, this truck is not worth fixing because, well, it was cheap oil. This is what happens when you use cheap oil and cheap filter. Watch. See if I can get some. Look at that. You see the glue right there? You see that? I don't know if you guys can see it, but watch. Look. You see that? That's a big no-no. Look at the valve cover. You see this right here? That's moisture of water. Look. Look how it breaks. Look. That's the inside of the engine. Now imagine how the rod bearings, pistons, everything on the bottom, if you take the oil pan off is. That's why I always recommend that you use the most expensive oil and the best filter that money can buy. You know, it's your automobile. But this is a lesson well known. Plus, this truck has 269,000 miles. I already did what it's supposed to do. And I told the customer, you know, a job like this, I charge $700 to change all the lifters with the head gaskets. Both head gaskets, both sides. You go to a shop, you're looking at between $3,000 and $4,500 for a job like this with the parts included. But like I said, the truck has 269. It's done. It already did its purpose, you know. So yeah, putting everything back together. Look at that. And then we're gonna work on that Honda CR-V over there. It has a blown head gasket. Half of the engine has to come out. Piece of cake. So yeah, this is what I do on weekends. Monday to Friday, I work, drive a forklift. 20 below degree zero. Look, people, I only have 1 cup of coffee today. Okay, work with me. But in stock trading. So, and congratulations to all the MARA and PIEZ. That was an amazing call I made. And you haven't seen nothing yet. Stay tuned. Those stocks are going to fly, baby. All right. Well, there you go. You have any questions, any comments, whatever, just leave it. All right. Thanks for watching. It's Michael.